I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth system. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on the phone, knock the selector forward, turn it till we get to telephone, click telephone. Then you've got ready for Bluetooth telephony and connect device at the bottom. If it's not on connect device, it's either options or connect device. We just turn it to connect device, click connect, and at the top you'll see search for phones, search via telephone. So search for phones, select that, and then you've got to turn the rotary selector to start search. So you've got to tell it twice in effect. A bit like me. It's picked up Barry's iPhone 10, turn it to Barry's iPhone 10, click the selector, it's just thinking about it. There you go. Does the passkey 64023253 match? Yes, it does. So pair there, it's already on yes there, click yes, allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow, authorization successful. Do you want to search for a Wi-Fi hotspot? Well, I don't, but you can see here it's connected. Now